As you can tell from the box art, this is a really old kit, but what a surprise, it went together really well. Only thing I don't like about this kit is the 4.5-inch twin turrets, but you can either buy 3D printed replacement ones, or you can do what I did and modify the original ones to a much better standard. So the turrets that you'll see on this kit are the originals modified. I generally always complete the assembly and painting of the hull first and then move on to the superstructure. I added some detail to the superstructure, but I have to confess for this project, I didn't use a proper reference. I just kind of made it up. So if you're looking for a really accurate model, don't follow my details on this one. The photo etch used was the White Ensign Models post-World War II set. I added some detail to the aft director and also walkways over the torpedo tubes. I used an MRS-3 director for the main armament from one left over from an Airfix Tiger kit. The ships did have this fitted and it's a much better item than the one supplied with this kit. Given the age of this kit, I was really pleasantly surprised with how well it built up, and it turns out to be a really nice little model. There's just a few things remaining that I would probably change from what I've done. I would probably rework the 40mm mounts with a bit more detail and more narrower barrels. I would probably replace the heavy boat davits for the forward boats. They're just way too thick. And I'd probably add a little bit more detail or maybe replace the squid mortar with something a bit more detailed. But other than that, I was very pleased with the overall result. For those of you familiar with post-war British warships, you will appreciate just how much better this model looks with either the modified 4.5-inch turrets or the 3D printed ones. It's well worthwhile putting in the effort to replace the originals, which look pretty awful. If you like the results of this kit, you'll have to search around for one because they're no longer available new, but you may be able to pick one up secondhand on an online auction. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do check out my channel for other 1600 Airfix builds.